Hi, welcome to Totally Random. Okay, so what is all this? A mate of mine, there's an arm. Yeah, a mate of mine said, well, we were just looking around at stuff. Long story short, I've got all these toilet paper dispensers. So, let's see what's in shot. Basically, fill that with Dunny rolls. Lock was in there, that's that lock sitting there. Paper comes out the bottom. I've probably got who knows what diseases now. Some of these were wrapped in plastic, so I don't know whether they're new or being used or what. So yeah, I'll quickly pick one. Wow. Depth perception. Yeah, there's a black mark on it there, and a black mark on it there. Just because these tend to open fairly easily, but they really didn't like the size of my thumb compared to that. Okay, so it's locked or unlocked, either way. We'll hit it the other way and so we can get it back where it was. That would be the unlocked position. Okay, don't need to be a bitch. Ta-da! Unlocked. I don't know whether you saw that because I was looking at the lock on the camera. Real quick, I saw a video. A guy at a class, he was putting around a kryptonite to protect a thing from the keyway from self-impressioning techniques. Oops, lost it. If you can do that with a hinge, then that is an absolute waste of time. I'm not criticising you, I think you came up with a good idea, but using a big hinge that can be pulled apart in seconds and two padlocks on that, which could be easily picked, but you wouldn't even bother because you do that. Not that I steal bikes. Never have. But I've had it stolen from me, so yeah, I despise thieves. So, yeah, that's just something to take note of. Anyway, I've got a bunch of locks to pick. Well, most of them are open, some of them are open. I've picked a few of them shut, picked a few of them open. This stainless will be good, I hope, for making picks. It's about 1 mil thick. I haven't put the proper digital calipers on it yet, so I'm not sure. Nonetheless, yeah, it looks like great pick making material to me, so quick, smart, in a hurry. I want to get my grinder mounted, so I'll start using it. Anyway, that's totally random. Keep it legal. Happy picking.